हेलो फ्रेंड्स। चलिए हम देखते हैं सिस्टम को इजीली और स्मूथली चलाने के लिए कौन कौन से फाइल्स हम टाइम टू टाइम डिलीट कर सकते हैं। हाउ टू क्लीन सिस्टम temp files, recent files to work easily and smoothly on system. Let me check. Here basically we use three commands, three methods to remove the recent files, that is temp files, recent files and prefetch files. Let me see how we going to remove these three type of files from our system to run our system easily and smoothly. Let me check from by clicking Windows icon, and here just you have to type run, and this in this run command you have to press percentage temp percentage. Here you're going to get n number of files which are temporary. Here you can delete all the temp files. Here I'm going to select all files, Control A and right click, or simply you can press delete button on your keyboard. Here I'm deleting all the files, and there will be a no harm after deleting of these files. Here you can skip some files also. And next one is Windows Run Recent. Here I'm going to in same method, or else on your keyboard just you can press Windows plus R. Directly you will going to get run command. Here you can type recent and press enter key. And this recent files are also shortcuts. This also you can delete without any hesitation. Select all files and press the delete key on your keyboard. And next we are having one more command is that is prefetch. Okay, here I am going manually by pressing Windows key and by typing run. Here I am selecting the run, and here I am going to give prefetch. Here also I am getting all the temporary files. These files also we can delete without any hesitation so that our system works smoothly after deleting these temporary files. Here we can see this folder is empty now. Okay, now close this window. Thank you for watching my video.
Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.